Hello. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'm looking for something for a headache.
Sure. How long have you had the headache?
Since this morning.
Is it a strong headache or just mild?
It's not too strong, but it's annoying.
I understand. Do you have any other symptoms?
Not really. Just the headache.
Have you taken any medicine yet?
No, not yet.
Do you have any allergies to medication?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. I can recommend paracetamol.
Does it work quickly?
Usually within 30 minutes.
That sounds good.
Do you prefer tablets or capsules?
Tablets are fine.
How many tablets would you like?
Maybe one small box.
Sure. This one has 20 tablets.
How much is it?
It's $8.50.
Okay, I'll take it.
Take 1 or 2 tablets every 4 to 6 hours.
Can I take it on an empty stomach?
Yes, but it's better with food.
Good to know.
Don't take more than 8 tablets in 24 hours.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Are you taking any other medications?
No, just vitamins sometimes.
That should be fine then.
Great.
Do you also need something for cold or flu?
Actually, I have a slight sore throat too.
I see. Is it painful when you swallow?
Yes, a little bit.
I recommend these throat lozenges.
Are they strong?
They're gentle, but effective.
How often can I take them?
1 lozenge every 2 to 3 hours.
Okay, that's easy.
Would you like honey or mint flavor?
Honey, please.
Good choice.
Do they make you sleepy?
No, they don't.
Perfect.
Have you had a fever?
No, fever so far.
That's good.
I just feel a bit tired.
Make sure you drink plenty of water
I will.
and try to get some rest tonight.
I definitely will.
Do you need anything else today?
Maybe some vitamin C.
We have vitamin C tablets here.
Are they chewable?
Yes, these ones are.
That's great.
They help support your immune system.
How many should I take daily?
Just 1 tablet a day.
Okay.
Small bottle or large bottle?
The small one is fine.
No problem.
Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome.
I'm not very familiar with medicines.
That's okay. That's what we're here for.
I appreciate it.
If your headache gets worse, see a doctor,
I will.
especially if it lasts more than 2 days.
Okay.
Are you sensitive to caffeine?
Not really.
Some headache tablets contain caffeine.
Oh, I didn't know that.
They can work faster for some people,
Interesting.
but the one you chose doesn't have caffeine.
That's fine with me.
Do you usually get headaches?
Not very often.
Maybe it's stress or lack of sleep.
That might be true.
Have you been working a lot lately?
Yes, quite a lot.
Try to take breaks during the day.
I should do that.
It can help prevent headaches.
Good advice.
Also, drink enough water.
I probably don't drink enough.
Dehydration can cause headaches too.
I didn't realize that.
It's actually very common.
I'll drink more water then.
That's a good habit.
Do you take card here?
Yes, we do.
Great.
The total comes to $15.90.
Here's my card.
Please insert it here.
Okay.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Keep the medicine out of reach of children.
Of course.
Store it in a cool, dry place.
Got it.
If you have any questions, just come back and ask us.
Sure. Thank you.
Take care of yourself.
I will.
I hope you feel better soon.
I hope so too.
Remember to take the tablets if the headache continues.
Okay, I will.
And get some rest tonight.
I definitely will.
The instructions are on the box.
Great, that helps.
Drink plenty of water too.
I will, thanks.
Alright, take care.
Thank you for your help.
No problem at all.
I'll head home now.
Have a good evening.
You too.